Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by forcing a restart so the phone stops the reboot loop long enough to act. Once the device is stable, remove the case, SD card, and SIM to isolate hardware causes and inspect for moisture. Plug into the original charger and let the battery reach around 5 to 10%. This prevents immediate power drops during the next operations. Make sure to note whether reboots occur while charging versus on battery, so you can narrow software versus hardware causes. Next, boot into safe mode to determine if an app is forcing restarts. You'll see only system apps run, so if the reboot stops, uninstall the most recent apps. Once done, boot into recovery and clear the system cache or cache partition to remove corrupted temporary files that trigger crashes. Make sure to check battery and crash logs if available. They show which process failed. If an update coincided with the issue, consider rolling back or reinstalling the current firmware. If safe mode and cache clearing don't fix it, back up your data now and perform a factory reset. This removes deep software corruption. Once reset, install only essential apps and update the OS and firmware, then observe for stability to confirm the fix. Make sure to test on and off charger. If the phone still restarts, suspect hardware, faulty battery or motherboard, and arrange an authorized repair or replacement, because continuing to use a defective battery can be unsafe.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.